egret, big, we call him big bird.
Oh, a heron?
An egret. Yeah, blue heron.
Hey, big bird. Hey, big bird. Hey, big bird. Hey, big bird. Hold on a second. Oh, not you, bird. You can come in.
Oh,
if you want to come in.
As soon as I walk over here, he'll come in. Come on, big bird. Come on.
He's wary of me because he's never seen me before. Huh?
Feed him once. He'll be your friend forever. Big bird's picky. He doesn't always eat ham, but he will eat ham with, like, Blanca, which is a little egret, is eating ham. He'll eat it, but otherwise he usually turns his nose up on it, because he usually eats steak.
Oh, he's spoiled, huh?
Yeah. You know, we go out to dinner, we keep all the fat and... Here! Here. Come on, you can eat it. It's ham.
No, I want steak. I want that fillet. Come on, you're holding it out on me, you son of a bitch.
That's what it is. He's a bitch. All right, I'll try turkey. I eat turkey sometimes.
I cannot believe this. I feel like I'm in some kind of a cartoon. Goddamn white egret coming in the house for a handout. Yeah. What else is going to happen?
They fucking come right. They're in the kitchen usually. If you weren't there and the blower wasn't there, they'd be in the kitchen.
This can't be true.
He's just one of them.
One of a whole flock that comes in to visit, looking for a handout.
All kinds of different ones come in. Oh, what's going on with that video on YouTube? That pisses me off.
You like that turkey, huh? It's good turkey. He knows where to get a handout.
Yeah. Who's ripped up?
Ooh, great, I got it. It's good. Hey, big bird.
Get outside with
Hey, big bird. Okay, you got your stuff? Ready to go back outside? Okay.